We'll be looking at question and answers of the lesson Antima Vidaya. I will be doing one line question and answers and 2 to 3 line question and answers in this video. If you want answers for the 7 to 8 line question and answers also, please leave a comment if you want answers for the long ones, 7 to 8 line answers. So let's look at the one line answers now. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ವೈದ್ಯನ ನಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾವಂತವಿತ್ತು ಏಕೆ? ವೈದ್ಯ ಇಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ನಡಿಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ವಾಕ್. ಧಾವಂತವಿತ್ತು ಏಕೆ? ಧಾವಂತ ಇಸ್ ಹರಿ. Why was the doctor's walk look like he was running or he was in a hurry? That's the question. Why was there a hurry in the doctor's walk? That's the meaning of the question. ರೋಗಿಯೊಬ್ಬನನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು. ರೋಗಿ means a patient. ಉಳಿಸು is to save. ತನ್ನಿಂದ ತಡವಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು. And he was worried. Tada is delay. Okay? Because of delay, because of him. Okay? It shouldn't get delayed. There shouldn't be a delay in saving a patient's life because of his delay. So that was the worry in his mind. That's why he was hurrying and rushing up. Okay? So, ರೋಗಿಯೊಬ್ಬನನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು ತನ್ನಿಂದ ತಡವಾಗುತ್ತದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ವೈದ್ಯನ ನಡಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಧಾವಂತವಿತ್ತು. Then, ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಠಡಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಇದ್ದ ತಂದೆಯ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆತಂಕವಿತ್ತು? ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಠಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್. ಬಳಿ, ನಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದ ತಂದೆ is father, the father of the patient. On his face, why was there a lot of anxiety on his face? Atanka means anxiety. Why was there so much of anxiety on the face of the patient's father? That is the meaning of this question. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಠಡಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಇದ್ದ ತಂದೆಯ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ okay, ತನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ತಾನು ಜೀವಂತವಾಗಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೋ ಇಲ್ಲವೋ ಎಂಬ ಆತಂಕ. So he was worried whether he will see his son alive again. So Jivanta is alive and Maga is son. So he was worried whether he will see his son alive again or not. That is why there was so much of anxiety on his face. ಸಾವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು ಏನೆಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು? And what did the doctor tell about death? ಸಾವು means death. Okay, so ಸಾವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು. So this is what the doctor tells about death. ವೈದ್ಯನಾದವನು ಸಾವನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂಡಬಹುದೇ ವಿನಃ ಸಾವಿನಿಂದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಬಚಾವು ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅವನಿಗೂ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು. So he says a doctor can only delay or postpone the death of a person, but he cannot give complete relief from death. Whoever is born has to die, right? So the doctor says that he can only delay or postpone death, but cannot give you complete relief from death. Then the next question. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟದ ಭಾರ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುವುದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ is a person. When does a person really understand the difficulty? ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟದ ಭಾಗವಾಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಾಂತ್ವನ ಹೇಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಸುಲಭ. So suppose somebody else is undergoing some trouble and difficulty, you can console them, right? If somebody else is going through difficult situations, you can try and console them and try to cheer them up. That is the meaning of the first sentence. ನಾವೇ ಆ ಕಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಲುಕಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಭಾರ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುವುದು. But when you also face such a difficulty, only then will you really understand the pain. That is the meaning of this question and answer. ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ತೆರಳಿದ್ದು ಏಕೆ? So as soon as mugisi means finished. As soon as he finished, the doctor finished the operation. Why did he rush back to his home? ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಅಂತಿಮ ವಿದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಸರದಿಂದ ಮನೆಗೆ ತೆರಳಿದರು. Why did he rush back? Because he had to do his final farewell for his son. For his dead son, he had to do the final farewell. So that's why he had to rush back home. So these are all the 1-line answers. Now let's look at 2 to 3 line answers. ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ 2-3 ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ 2 to 3 sentences. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ನತ್ತ ದೌಡಾಯಿಸಿದ ವೈದ್ಯನ ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆ ಏನೆಂದು ಹರಿಹಾಯ್ದನು. So while the doctor was rushing to the operation theatre, what did the patient's father shout at him out of anger? He was so angry with him, right? So out of anger, what was he shouting at him? That's the meaning of the question. Let's see the answer. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ನತ್ತ ದೌಡಾಯಿಸಿದ ವೈದ್ಯನ ಮೇಲೆ ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾಯಿತಾ? ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಜೀವ ಅಪಾಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೇ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಿಂಚಿತ್ತಾದರೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಎಂದು ಹರಿಹಾಯ್ದನು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್, what took you so long to come here? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ, to come here, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುವುದಕ್ಕೆ means to come here. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬೇಕಾಯಿತಾ? Did you need so much of time to come here? ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಜೀವ ಅಪಾಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಂಬುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Did you not know? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ is not know. Did you not know that my son's life is in danger? Apaya means danger and jiva is life. So he is asking the doctor, did you not know that my son's life is in danger? What took you so long to come here? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಿಂಚಿತ್ತಾದರೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ? Jawabdari means responsibility. Do you not have even one bit of responsibility with you? Yendu harihaidan. So this is how he shouted at him. So first point is, see, learn it in terms of points. One by one you learn, then it becomes very easy. So the first point is, he asked the doctor, what took you so long to come here? Then the second point was, did you not know that my son's life was in danger? And the third point is, you don't even have a little bit of responsibility in you. The next question is, ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಕ್ರೋಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಏನೆಂದು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡನು? And what did the doctor reply? What did he plead in reply for the patient's father scolding him? So ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಕ್ರೋಶದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಕ್ರೋಶ means in very much anger. ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಕ್ರೋಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು. So the father was in real anger. He was in a fit of rage, right? So how did he talk to him? So ವೈದ್ಯರು ಆಕ್ರೋಶದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಪ್ಪ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, please forgive me. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಪ್ಪ means please forgive me. ನಾನು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I was not in the hospital. ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆಯೇ ಹೊರಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. As soon as I received the call, I have come here. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನೀನೀಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾಂತನಾಗು. So please calm down now. ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡು. Please cooperate and let me do my work. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Now it's already delayed. ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ನಗುವಿನಿಂದ ವೈದ್ಯರು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡನು. With a small smile, like asking forgiveness, he pleaded this with the father of the patient. So again, try and split it in points and learn. It will be very easy. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಪ್ಪ means please forgive me. ನಾನು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. I was not available in the hospital. ನನಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆಯೇ ಹೊರಟು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I have come as soon as I received the call. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ನೀನೀಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾಂತನಾಗು. Please calm down. And ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡು. And please cooperate and let me do my work. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. It is already delayed. ಕ್ಷಮೆಯ ನಗುವಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ವೈದ್ಯರು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. So this much will come within quotations. Okay. So it's very easy. Now if you try and break down, the first thing is, he said, I am very sorry. Then he said, I was not in the hospital. As soon as I received the call, I came running here. Now at least you please calm down and cooperate with me and let me do my work. It's already been a big delay. Next, ವೈದ್ಯರು ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನೆಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. Okay, so what did he promise or what did he assure the father of the patient? Okay, bharavase means assurance. What was the assurance that the doctor gave to the patient's father? ವೈದ್ಯರು ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ವೈದ್ಯನಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಹಾನೆಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲು ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಣಕ್ಕಿಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಎಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೇಪಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸನ್. ಆದರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾ ಮೀರಿದ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಟವೇನು ನಡೆಯದು. But then there is one power beyond all of us. So whatever we do, we cannot overpower that power. ವೈದ್ಯರಾದವರು ಸಾವನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂಡಬಹುದೇ ವಿನಃ ಸಾವಿನಿಂದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಬಚಾವ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. So he says, we can only delay or postpone death, but we cannot give you complete relief from death. ಈಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ದೇವರ ಬಳಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಡುವಂತೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೋ. So you just go and pray God that your son is saved. ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು ಎಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. And he says, allow me to go and do my work. So this is the assurance he gave. So first thing is, he says, as a doctor, I will try and do my best and put my honest efforts to save your son. Then I will pledge all my capabilities and abilities to save you. But beyond all this, there is a power which none of us can outshine or overcome that power. So a doctor can only postpone or delay death, but cannot give complete relief from death. So you go and pray God and allow me to do my work. So this was the assurance that the patient, that the doctor gave to the patient's father. Then operation ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಹೊರ ನಡೆದ ವೈದ್ಯರನ್ನು ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆ ಏನೆಂದು ಮೂದಲಿಸಿದನು. So after the doctor finished the operation, again when he came out also, the patient's father was not very happy with him, right? So what did he? Mudalisu means complain about him. Okay, what was the complaint that he did about the doctor after he finished the surgery for his son? ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಹೊರ ನಡೆದ ವೈದ್ಯರನ್ನು ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆ, ಇವನೇಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಗೆಟ್ಟವನಂತೆ ವರ್ತಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ? Why is he acting so impatient? Why is he behaving so impatiently? ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಂಚ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಎಂದರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಪುರುಸೋತಿಲ್ಲದಂತೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ. I just wanted to understand the condition of my son. I wanted little more information about the condition of my son, but he is running away as though he has no time. ಹಣದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಿದ್ದವರ ಧಾವಂತವೇ ಇಂಥದ್ದು. People who are always running after money, this is how they are. ಇವರಿಗೆ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಜೀವಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದುಡ್ಡೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. More than the patient's life, money is the most important thing for such people. ಛೆ ಎಂದು ಮೂದಲಿಸಿದ. So this is how he showed his displeasure and anger on the doctor. So again break it down into sentences, it becomes easy to learn. So why is he running? Why is he running in such a hurry? I wanted to understand a few more things about my son's condition, but he has no time even for that. He is only running behind money. People who run behind money, more than the patient's life, money is more important for such people. So this is how he complained and showed his displeasure against the doctor. Now the last one, nurse ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಳು? And what did the nurse tell the patient's father? So nurse ರೋಗಿಯ ತಂದೆಗೆ, ಅವರ ಮಗ ನಿನ್ನೆಯಷ್ಟೇ ನಡೆದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದ. So she says, first sentence what she says is, yesterday there was an accident and his son died in that accident. ಪಾಪ, ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಅಂತ್ಯಕ್ರಿಯೆಯ ದುಃಖದ ಮಡುವಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. And when we called him, he was in deep sorrow of his son's death. ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ತುರ್ತನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆಯೇ ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದರು. And as soon as we told him the urgency of your son, the emergency that we had about your son, he left his job. That is, he was actually getting ready to make the death rituals. He wanted to complete the death rituals of his son. He was halfway, midway doing that when he gets the call from the hospital. So that's what the nurse is saying. Ardhakke bittu bandaru. Ardha means he left that job half done and he is come here. Ninna magana jeeva ulisidaru. He saved your son's life. ಈಗವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಅಂತಿಮ ವಿದಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now he is going for the final farewell of his son. Okay, so first thing is that his son died yesterday in a road accident, and when we were calling him, when we made a call to him, he was in a deep sorrow and he was trying to do the last rituals of his son. But once he understood that your son's condition is an emergency condition and he has to do the surgery, he left it halfway and he came here. He saved your son's life. Now he is going back to do farewell to his son. So this is all the 2 to 3 line answers.